Today we had our first health and wellbeing event. The goal of the event is to provide additional information, additional support and education to our cancer patients, their families and their carers.
And we are really pleased with the number of attendees we've had. Over 100 today, more than we had actually expected, but it was good to see a large audience and also a mix of both patients and carers attending.
And we've met up with lots of patients and carers who've been touched by cancer, and most of them are living with cancer and beyond their cancer treatment.
It's really an important event as part of the whole recovery package for patients who are living with and beyond cancer, and in terms of providing them with support and information about how they can live well with their cancer going forward.
We have dietitians here who's going to help you, tell you what you can eat, what you can't eat, how often you can eat. And obviously with me, I'm going to have to eat quite regularly all through the day.
It's our ambition that everyone who's living with and beyond cancer can come to events such as these, where they can learn and gather information that can enable them to support themselves going forward with their condition and make the best of their lives.
What we do is provide free skincare and makeup workshops for ladies going through treatment to help combat the visible side effects of the cancer and the treatment.
We provide lots of literature at these health and wellbeing events, and we also provide a confidential telephone service, so we're aiming to raise the profile of the services that we provide as a specialist nurse service for Prostate Cancer UK.
So often difficult to get an opportunity to talk to a lot of people who experience these problems to do with cancer, and particularly also for their partners and carers to come along and hear about these things as well.
The gentleman Nigel Sage, he was brilliant, and everything he said just cut down, you know, and was important. I felt it was a fantastic lecture, absolutely very good and very useful, very useful.
Quite clearly, a lot of people were picking up the message that I was keen to get across, which was around being kind to themselves, whilst at the same time pushing themselves a little bit. Because actually we know that people become depressed and more anxious by leading a much more restricted life because of their cancer. It's a hard message, but if people are kind to themselves, then and put that bit of work in, then it can make a huge difference to how well they cope.
There's been about 80 to 100 people who have come, which is really the tip of the iceberg in terms of numbers of people living with and beyond cancer in the Guildford and Waverley area.
Well done to the team for setting this day up, and I hope we're going to have many more days like this.
But I think a day like today is absolutely fantastic for everybody.
I wish more people were here looking at it, because there are some great presentations and there are some fantastic people that are volunteering here with lots of support. So if there's another one, please attend.